Yo, what's up guys? CJBeatz right here. How you doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new on my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also smash the notification bell so you get to be updated when I drop a new video. Alright, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made a very nice BOJ Victony type of beat, and I added some vocals in it for y'all could use if you want to freestyle or you know what, you want to drop some bars on it. So before I head into that, I'm gonna show you guys how I made the beat, and make sure you check the description for more information. Also click the link in the comment section for some more source on how to get this beat and do some things with it. Alright, so first of all, I have my shakers loop. I actually created some shakers loop not quite long ago, like a month ago or a week ago. It was a shakers loop I created utilizing mini me pack, and it sounded really do nice. This is how the shakers loop sounded like. I'm just gonna give you guys a highlight of how the shakers loop sound like. This is how the shakers loop sound like. If you notice while you're listening to the shakers loop, it was panning from the left to the right, from the right to the left. Basically, that was the panomatic I added in the mixer. Alright, so after adding my shakers loop, I added this percussion. As you can see right here, it's just a normal basic afrobeat pattern, which is like the normal, right, just the normal basic. Then after that, I'm just gonna like utilize this part where all the sounds are, and then I added like I added this, which obviously is like percussions. These percussions were like fill up because it's gonna be an afro pop type of beat, so I wanted these percussions to fill up at some intervals to make it a little bit spicy. This is how the percussion sounds like. You could hear that there's a delay in that sound. So basically that's how it sounded like, obviously. And in this bongo, you would notice if you were to use the normal counting, it wouldn't sound this way. So I had to like give a little bit of distort. If it was probably here, it wouldn't give it that feel. Yeah, it wouldn't give it that feel. So I had to like take it to half of this to make it have this a little bit slightly delay in it. And as we heard, this is how it's gonna sound like with the beat. Sounds like this, with the shakers loop panning from the left to the right, from the right to the left. If you want to know how I made the shakers loop pan from the right to the left, make sure you drop it in the comment section. I'll teach you all how to do it. Alright, so after doing all that, I created my Rhodes. My Rhodes was actually the first sound I made. It's just a normal plugin that it's a free plugin. Very nice plugin, trust me, if you know how to utilize it properly. This is how it sounds like. Yeah, then you could add some little EQ to spice it up to sound the way it's the way you wanted it. So I played the keyboard, and this was how it all sounded like with the keyboard. Just basic flow and every other thing. Then we had to go down to the drums. The drums, it means a lot. That fire, that heat, and the kick, man, you gotta give up the spice. So how afrobeats, afropop type of beat, like punchy, spacious type of beat, give it the spiritual flow. And this is how the drum sounds like. That hi-hat was just important. I would have used a bongo or something to have this, this cocoa or something. But I just decided to like use the hi-hat to fill up that space, to make it a little bit spicy. I'm talking about. So after doing all that, this is my drums, and let's see how it flows. I actually have like two drum patterns. This is my first drum pattern, and my second drum pattern was just a little bit of change in the kick and in the hi-hat, and this is how the second drum pattern sounds like. Yeah, so let's just see how it sounds like with the beats, the melody, and the percussions and shakers loop. This is how it sounds like. Yeah, it has this chilled vibe. You could hear the hi-hats, flowing behind the beat. Then after that, I added this piano sound. Actually, I first used this Sakura sound. It sounds like this, but it actually didn't give me what I wanted. So I used this Nexus keyboard to like fill it up, to give it this piano vibe. So when you mix both of them together, it gives me like a mixed sound that I liked, which sound like this. And it gives you that nice chilly vibes and some little delay while the keyboard does its thing. So this is how it sounds like in the beat. It sounds like this. Alright, sorry. Nice. That delay effect in it gives it this nice bounce. And you can hear that triangle, that tone, the beep type of sound, This is a very nice chill. Now it sounding this way is very skinny, but obviously this type of thing we need some bass. Like the bass is important, or probably it's like some sort of 808. And the bass was just a normal flow, but a little bit kind of different. It didn't follow the pattern of the keyboard. It had its own flow, and this is how it sounds like. You know what I'm saying? Boo bass, like boo bass is highly underrated, but when you have EQ, if you could EQ your boo bass, like trust me, you're gonna get whichever sound you want. It sounds really nice and all that. So let's just listen to how it sounds like with the boo bass. It sounds this way. Just this quiet, vibey type of thing, and the boo bass was just going in and out in different patterns and different flow. So now the best part of this beat is this jazz guitar. I actually found it in Flex, I guess. Yeah, Flex. Yeah, like the guitar was mad, like mad thing. Yeah. Then I used this while you're playing it on your MIDI, and you are using this slider to like make it have this slider flow. And while I was doing it, I had a lot of ghost notes, as you can see, and I had some crazy sharp notes that I needed for it to like hit the ear, you know what I'm saying? So this is how it sounded like with the jazz guitar, which gave it like the full bounce. Basically, this is the full bounce. It sounds this way. It gives it that gives it the full vibe. And then after doing all this, I was like, okay, why don't I just release this free beat for people to start utilizing, producers to remake or artists to drop some bars on it. And I'm like, okay, let me just try vibe on it, even though my vocals be crazy. So I added my vocals on it, even though it sounded like a whack artist. Even producers, like we can guide artists to sing properly and all that, but when it comes to our time, man, Jesus, we are in the hands of the Lord. So I added these vocals in the beat to make it a little bit nice, to be like a hook, before the rapper or the artist or the singer drops his own verse. And this is how it sounds like. Don't judge me, please. Thank ya. I didn't clean up the voice at all. I just left it the way it is. The way I recorded it with all the crazy ass noise behind the background, I left it that way. Boy, I no get strength. I just left it that way and put it out there. And that's how I made this beat. Y'all, if you want to get this shakers loop I made, trust me, this shakers loop is really, really nice. Like, listen to it. Listen to this beat again with the shakers loop. Like, specifically focus on that shakers loop thing. Yeah, listen. Oh wait, let me top it up a little bit for y'all to listen. Like, listen to that shakers loop, like literally. Like, this shakers loop is lit. Trust me, this is not like the normal shakers loop you all be seeing out there. Trust me, this shakers loop is lit on God. Like, y'all should check the description on how to get the shakers loop. It's actually like 5 of them are made. So, you just gotta go to the BeatStars and get it out. Trust me. If y'all have questions or tell me what you think about this beat and how I created it, it was a quick review and show off of how I made it. Make sure you drop a comment and tell me what you think about this beat. And if you're an artist or a producer or you want to get this beat down into your your section or whichever platform you got, just check the description as well. You'll be able to easily download it without no stress on my BeatStars or any other platform. Alright guys, peace out. CJ Beats out of here. Bang.